Calculus was one of the most important theories ever developed in mathematics. But why do we need it? Subscribe now to the series, The History of Math, on the YouTube channel, What Makes It Tick. Mathematicians sometimes love to push things to the limit and to see what happens. For example, one of the fields for their research is series. If you take the series 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 3 plus 1 4 plus, you go to the infinite. The series doesn't converge. Strange enough, if you take the series 1 plus 1 on 2 plus 1 on 4 plus 1 on 8, you don't reach the infinite. You reach a limit. Again, it's this beautiful opportunity to show it graphically. You take a square, a beautiful square, and the side is length 1. If you cut in two equal pieces, this is a half, 1 on 2. Now let's take this piece. And again you cut it in two pieces. This square here is 1 on 4. The upper square, the same side. Again you divide in two pieces. Each is equal to 1 on 8. And you can go up to the infinite and you will get the whole square. And the square is 1, a surface of 1. So it shows, it's a proof there is a limit to this series 1 on 2, 1 on 4, 1 on 8, etc., etc. If you try to reach the limit, you sometimes find fascinating things. And one of the most famous examples is this one. Let's take 1 plus 1 on x to the power of x. How far does it go? Is there a limit? Yes, there is a limit. Let's take this 1. It makes 1 plus 1 on 1 to the power of 1 is equal to 2. Now let's take x equal to 2. It's 1 plus 1 on 2 to the power of 2 is 2.25. And if you go to the infinite, you finally get a number 2.71, etc., which is e. E, another magic number, exactly like P and like the golden number. So if you love mathematics, you will love to push things to the limits, and you maybe will be surprised by extraordinary results once more. Join us next time to find out how nothing happens by chance. Subscribe now to watch our full series on the history of math on your YouTube channel, What Makes It Tick.